So today we have pre-taping early in the morning. It's about 6 a.m., like around 6:15 right now. And basically we're shooting things for Elon Fabrics and all of our other sponsors. So I'm really excited.
Really excited.
Here at the Hollywood Marriott for our last day of pre-taping.
We're gonna have a fun day at the beach, chicken, water, awesomeness.
Good morning. It's so much fun. It's not cold. The weather's absolutely beautiful. It's so much fun out here.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the Miss Florida USA channel. I'm Alyssa Rivera, Miss Florida Teen USA. Today is our final day of pre-taping here at the Hollywood Beach Marriott Hotel. Don't let this beautiful scene fool you. These girls are working really hard. Let's go take a look.
Last time.
I love the colors. Yellow, white, beautiful. My favorite colors in the world. I said I'm ready for the chicken fight.
Yes. Oh yeah. This is supposed to be really
Hear about that?
Oh my God. It's gonna be intense.
Okay, guys, come on in like a team. Come on in. When we're all on the count, action, we are going to all run into the ocean like banshees. On the count of 3, go team. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go team!
Okay, we're here on Hollywood Beach, and all of these girls are ready for the chicken fighting competition. Girls, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm so scared.
Why?
I don't know. These girls look tough.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, I did.
Okay, everybody up, let's start.
I'm so like it's so good. I think it's crazy fun.
No losers in the chicken fighting competition.
Chicken fight. That was pretty intense. I mean, Kira was all covered in melted lotion, so I couldn't get a grip on her.
I couldn't help it. I had to lotion up and look good for the shoot earlier. Just great teamwork. Right on.
Keywords: chicken champion.
Hey, the Pasco girls representing in the chicken fight.
Because of a fight, I was holding on to her for dear life.
Pre-tape weekend for the Miss Florida Teen USA pageant is officially over. Up next, you can catch the Miss Florida Teen USA pageant on October 1st in a station near you, or watch behind-the-scenes clips right here on Miss Florida USA on YouTube. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I'm gonna catch some sun right here on Hollywood Beach after a hard day's work of pre-taping. I'm Melissa Rivera, Miss Florida Teen USA.
And that's a wrap.
For everything Miss Florida USA, all you need is a computer. Join the online video revolution with our Miss Florida USA YouTube channel, the first and only all pageant channel on the internet. Now you can go behind the scenes like never before. Watch the ladies tonight in exclusive videos, then follow the excitement year-round as we tour the state in search of next year's title holders. Join the online video revolution, the Miss Florida USA channel on YouTube.
Join us for some additional coverage as we model designs by La Casa Hermosa and the latest from our friends at FICA.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you got? Tell me about what you got.
Well, I'm rocking this fur right here. You like that, right? With my black little ensemble.
Lift up a layer, drop it on a better fashion.
It's a very beautiful pink Giovanni gown. And it's so soft, like I want to sleep with it. And so much material.
Flash up a light, illuminate, energize by the lights on it. Spark up a light.
All of the Miss Florida Teen USA pre-tape sessions are officially complete. Join us in 2 weeks for the Miss Florida Teen USA 2011 pageant, only right here on the Miss Florida USA channel on YouTube.
Grab some delicious on-the-go taste with Pollo Tropical's new sandwiches and wraps, including the Chicken Caesar wrap and the Chipotle chicken sandwich. And at only $2.79, you'll want to try them all. Pollo Tropical, it's time to Pollo.
One of the girls actually thought chicken fighting
was wrestling for raw chicken. So that would have been fun too, though, right? That would have been fun.
That would have been fried chicken.
I would have done it.
Fried chicken. I would have fought for fried
No,
chicken.
it was raw
I would have won if
chicken.
it was fried chicken. Fried chicken.
Fried
all the way.
chicken.
Champions.
I kinda want
Champions of
some
chicken
raw
fighting in the
chicken,
water
I
and the
don't
fried
know.
chicken.
Bye.